Hey guys, welcome to our new video. Have you ever wondered what it takes to truly protect your landscaping business from unexpected accidents, legal troubles, or equipment damage? Well, today, we're diving into a step-by-step guide on how to get landscaping insurance in the United States. If you want to get the insurance from the best-rated insurance company, check out the description box below. Step 1. Understanding landscaping insurance. First up, let's talk about what landscaping insurance actually is. In simple terms, it's a type of business insurance designed specifically for landscaping professionals. Why do you need it? Because running a landscaping business comes with risks, think injuries, property damage, or even legal fees. Without insurance, one accident could cost you thousands of dollars. There are several types of coverage typically includes landscaping insurance. Each one plays a key role in protecting your business. Don't worry, we'll break these down one by one. Step 2. Start with general liability insurance. The cornerstone of any landscaping insurance package is general liability insurance. Why? Because accidents happen. Let's say you're trimming a hedge and accidentally damage a client's property. General liability insurance steps in to cover the costs. This type of insurance also covers medical payments if someone gets hurt on your job site, property damage that you're responsible for, legal fees if you're sued. Step 3. Consider contractors' errors and omissions, E&O. Next, let's talk about contractors' errors and omissions insurance, or E&O. This is your safety net for professional mistakes or negligence claims. Imagine being accused of planting the wrong species of plant that disrupts local wildlife. This insurance can help pay for professional negligence claims, legal defense costs, redoing a project if necessary. Step 4. Get commercial auto insurance. If you own or drive vehicles for work, you'll need commercial auto insurance. Personal auto insurance doesn't cut it when it comes to work-related accidents or incidents. This type of insurance can help cover medical expenses from accidents, collision repairs, rental reimbursement if your truck is out of commission. Step 5. Secure workers' compensation insurance. Now, if you have employees, you'll likely need workers' compensation insurance. It's required in most states as soon as you hire your first employee. This coverage helps pay for medical expenses for workplace injuries, lost wages while an employee recovers, employer liability costs. Step 6. Protect your tools and equipment. Let's not forget your gear. Landscaping tools and equipment can be expensive. That's where tools and equipment insurance comes in. This coverage protects your tools from damage or theft, whether they're in your truck, trailer, or on a job site. For most landscapers, this is an add-on to general liability insurance. Remember, your tools are your livelihood. Protecting them is non-negotiable. Step 7. Add commercial property insurance. If you own or lease a physical space, you'll need commercial property insurance. This insurance covers damaged equipment and inventory, lost income if you can't operate, operating expenses to keep things running after an incident. It's perfect for business owners who store equipment or run their operations from a dedicated space. Step 8. Understand costs and requirements. By now, you're probably wondering, how much is this going to cost? Landscaping insurance costs vary based on the types of projects you work on, your location, your payroll and team size, the number and types of vehicles you use. On average, you can save up to 10% when you bundle 2 or more policies. And some providers, like Next Insurance, offer discounts of up to 25% for business insurance. Step 9. Choose a reliable insurance provider. Finally, it's time to pick an insurance provider. Companies like Next Insurance offer customized plans for landscapers, covering everything from liability to tools. Their one-stop shop approach makes it easy to get the coverage you need. Remember to compare options, check reviews, and ensure your provider understands the specific needs of landscaping businesses. And there you have it, a complete guide to getting landscaping insurance in the United States. From protecting your tools to covering accidents, having the right insurance ensures your business stays safe and thriving. One of the best platforms to get insurance for yourself or your business is Next Insurance. They offer coverage at an affordable price that is tailored to practically every industry in the USA. You can check them out with the link in the description below the video and the pinned comment as well and get a quote today. The full review of Next Insurance is also linked down in the description box. Thank you for watching this video. Please remember to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.